here in Funky Beach, where the nice beach here in Koh Rong, Cambodia. And Funky Beach has and there is lake here, meets the ocean. That's why. But the problem is they have the bridge, the old bridge, but the problem is it's broken. That's why they are using the kayaking to cross over from here, go here. So this is the lake. The lake from there goes here, and this one is deep. So you need to use the boat or the kayaking, that one that we are using to cross. Guys, so we keep on walking here in this jungle, this one, and look at this. Look what we found while we are walking. Wow!
Lake.
We found a lake. There's people there.
Look at it. Crystal clear fish.
Where? Where is the fish? Oh my gosh, look. Look what we found. Wow.
So tell them about this beach, why it's so magical, because the lake
meets the
sea. See there, it goes out like, and it joins.
So guys, we are here now in the lake, where
Lakeview Beach. No.
Lakeview Beach?
No. Viewpoint Beach.
This is the lake.
Yeah.
And this lake will
join the sea. Tell them.
This lake will join the sea.
Amazing, yeah? Donut on the beach, exclusive.
Ah, she is painting.
Okay, show all the lake view. Coming down.
Ah, she is painting the lake. See? They have the name. Okay. Look. How we are going to cross? Huh?
This is the lake and the sea. So go to the end. Comfortable. Comfortable.
Okay. Welcome to Funky Beach. Sometimes they called it Viewpoint.
I think they're gonna cross. Now you will see. They go down here and then don't go. It's too big for it.
Yeah, I'm just here.
So just watch them. Oh.
Maybe they are going to swim.
Now they can go.
Look at this beautiful beach, guys. That is the water, the lake meets the ocean.
But that was the deepest. Yeah, so we can make it. Huh? Kayak? Oh, okay. Ah, cool. Okay, perfect. We can take the kayak.
That one.